Have you heard of crowd marketing? If not, then you're missing out. Whether you are writing product reviews, doing affiliate promotions, selling your own products or services, or anything in between, driving targeted traffic and getting your content viewed is vital to your online success. Let's meet Stacy. Stacy is an entrepreneur, owns her own business, and is looking to reach out and generate more sales. Stacy already has her own website in place, but wants to expand. She needs more visitors, more customers, and more sales. The problem is, Stacy doesn't know how to effectively generate exposure for her business. Stacy is already aware that you can reach millions online via social media sites. Sites like Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, and StumbleUpon. Stacy is also aware of search engine optimization and the positive impact social media will have for it. So in order to grow her business, Stacy started to distribute and promote her own content on her social media sites. She would spend hours each day distributing her content to multiple social media sites, bookmarking sites, and other Web 2.0 portals. But sadly, Stacy didn't see the results she was hoping for. Why? The problem is, Stacy is only one person. It was as if Stacy was trying to put up a building all by herself, brick by brick. You can imagine how long that would take. But if she had 10 people to help her, or even 100, better still, 1,000 helpers, then it would be complete in no time with little effort from Stacy herself. Now just imagine if Stacy had thousands of people distributing her content onto their own social media sites. Now you can see what crowd marketing can do. With our system, Stacy caused a huge buzz around her content, sent plenty of traffic to her site, and increased her social signals, all of which Google loves. And that's exactly what SociaSend does. SociaSend is the most advanced automated social media syndication service on the internet. It will increase your social signals fast. Social signals such as Facebook likes and shares, Twitter retweets, Pinterest repins, LinkedIn shares, and the list keeps going. SociaSend also increases your website traffic by sending visitors to your site directly from the social sites themselves. And if you need high authority backlinks, then SociaSend gets them for you too. Social signals, social links, and social traffic are loved by Google, so you can be sure to get some true organic growth in the search engines. SociaSend can do an incredible job due to the syndication team concept. Instead of only Stacy posting her content to her own social media and bookmarking sites and working alone, with SociaSend, she is now part of a unified team which has hundreds of people posting and distributing her content to their social media sites on a daily basis. It's called crowd marketing, and we've perfected it. Our team system causes an instant buzz around her content, sends visitors to her sites, and gives Google exactly what they need to rank her site higher in the search engine. But there's even more going on. SociaSend makes sure all the links built using the system get indexed and credited. This is done by creating further backlinks to your social links and pinging them. SociaSend also gains friends, followers, and adds favorites on the social sites themselves. This ensures all the social accounts in the system get worked on just the way they should be. But don't let all the technical SEO jargon confuse you. If some of the points don't make much sense, then don't worry. The best part about SociaSend is that it's fully automated. This means you don't need to be concerned about making a mistake, and you don't need to spend hours of time manually posting to the social sites. Just add your social sites and run the automated software. Leave the rest to the team. All you need to worry about is adding the posts you want to promote, and then sit back and watch the traffic roll in. Stacy is extremely happy now because SociaSend does all the hard work for her while she sits back, attracts new visitors, gains more customers, and increases sales. Are you ready to join the team with Stacy? Try SociaSend risk-free today and get ready for a flood of new visitors for your business.